everybody's having a great weekend. I'm eating breakfast right now. I actually ate already a lot. And I also have this tablia. It's actually for my dad, but I wanted to have some. So I asked him, please, can I have? Then he said, okay. I think it's some sort of hot cocoa. But it smells really nice too. Should you taste it? I'm gonna taste it. That is really weird.
Weird.
Yeah, that's
Because
really weird.
it's not sweet. It won't be sweet. I think it's sweet. It's a cocoa. It's like kind of different taste. It's good. Very less calories. Healthy.
What?
You don't like it?
It tastes okay. I can bear with it.
You want to put little sugar? I will add. Finish this time, okay? And don't
Okay.
touch my tablea.
Ah. Oh,
Good morning, guys. Sorry.
I really forgot.
I forgot.
Actually, these past 2 days I'm playing pickleball, right? And now, yesterday, but I'm actually getting really good now.
It's getting better. Yeah. Let's say we play today or tomorrow. Weekend's difficult now. Weekend, so many people there. Weekdays is okay.
Maybe not today because we're going to Monkey Run today.
Oh, evening. Someone is very happy. Ready to go? There is a wire fell down, Nana. Careful. See, there's a wire. Something wrong. Don't touch the wire, okay? Guys, we are here early. No one is there. We are praying. Hopefully nobody is there. Really nobody is there. Happy, Ryan? Yes, nice. Still a little hot, but it's good. No.
Daddy, we can play as long as we want because looks like nobody's here.
Yeah.
It's so
Okay.
quiet.
Let's start.
Yeah. The majestic Ryan taster with the best taste buds in the world is here.
Just what we have today here.
So we have some chicken curry and some baharas.
Bagara rice.
Bagara.
Okay, let's try how it is.
I'm the first best one.
Now we don't know which one to select.
I want both mixed together to make the ultimate tasting.
Kakakain lang kasi namin ng breakfast. Then nagluto si Daddy Ram nito. So taste
Actually-
test muna, hindi ano. Kain
Actually,
talaga.
Daddy cooked rice already.
Mm.
But Daddy forgot that.
We actually wanted what na? Biryani.
Oh yeah, biryani.
Then Dad said, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
But he still made bagara rice.
It's hot, I think.
Hot?
Hmm.
I always remember Iris.
I just
Seeing
love bagara.
bagara.
It's bagara because in Telangana they eat more also than bagara. Not in Andhra.
Iris and Sharat. I think Sharat favorite bagara rice.
My rating, it's 0 with 1 with another 0. That tasted so good.
It's good, Daddy.
It's like biryani actually.
Yeah, it's like biryani. Biryani usually cooked together a little different.
Can we eat with the
Curry chutney? maybe?
Karago chutney?
Yeah.
There's Fargo Shakti on the other one. What's the other one? Raita.
No, not Karago chutney.
I don't finish everything. I just want to taste it.
It seems like I want to eat already. It's so good, Daddy. It's been so long, right?
Bagara rice, chicken curry, bagara rice, mutton curry. Even with dal also. Like a fried rice, like a flavored rice.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
It's also kind of yellow. So it makes it more like
Because
biryani.
of the garlic chili, little garlic paste.
Okay.
How about for biryani? Why is the rice also yellow?
The masala.
Yeah, and turmeric powder.
Dang, it's hot in it.
It's hot. Time to do something. Magmo-move kami, guys. Pupunta na naman kami sa taas. We change our mind and heart again. We'll see. May isang against. But, ano, sinasabi namin sa kanya na let's just give it a try again. Na sa taas naman kami matulog.
Continue. Go.
Shall I be here or there? Maybe you will be on top. Huh?
Okay, first step. Oh, it's good example. Okay, now let's just give up and keep it back down.
Put it like that, Daddy.
Push it.
Maybe it's around you guys.
I'll push it.
Oh.
Oh.
It's not there.
Okay, okay. Since I'm your son, I have to do this help. Huh?
It's not stuck then.
It's okay.
See? Oh.
Huh? No! No! No!
Naakyat na namin ang bed. So, where are we going to put it, Daddy?
Yeah.
There? Okay.
I got.
After how many months, Daddy?
1 year.
3 months, maybe?
Is it 3 months only? Oh my God. That's like so long.
4 months.
No, that's actually like 5 months.
They?
5 or 6 months. It's been super long time. Because we also include the time we just slept in the living room and the time we didn't bring this thing
Yeah.
downstairs.
Itong maliit na room na ito, guys, ay naging stock room lang namin. Ayan, oh, yung mga maleta, yung mga kung ano-ano.
Go this side. Yeah. No, this side, baby.
Ha?
Go like that, then we can put on top of it.
Oh. Keep it in.
Struggle is real siya. Careful. Okay. Ayan, nalagyan na natin ang ating bed. Yung mga kurtina naman mamaya. You can put it there na.
Not like that.
We're back!
Keep to the original position.
Yes. Gusto niyang maglaro dito,
I
guys.
just literally.
So you wanna go down now? Nalagay namin ang kortina. Tapos na tayo doon sa taas, guys. Dito naman tayo sa baba. Biglang sinipat magayos. Si Daddy Ram at saka si Ryan, pumunta sila sa NCC kasi kulang kami ng curtain rod. Nagkasya siya dati kasi hindi namin nilagyan ng curtains yung sa taas. So, sakto lang dito sa baba. Pero ngayon na meron ng kurtina sa taas, kailangan namin ng 1, 2, 3, tatlong curtain rod. Kasi ito at saka yung isa, nilalagay ko na doon sa loob ng maliit na kwarto. Nag-decide kami guys na talagang lumipat na kasi yung maliit na kwarto, hirap kaming linisan. And yung alikabok sa baba ng kama, nag-accumulate siya agad. Si Ryan at saka si Daddy Ram, lagi na lang may ubo at sipon sa umaga. So, nakapag-decide na kami na, we need to do something about it. Kasi naapektuhan na ang kalusugan nila. And at least, maano din namin yung bahay. Napakalaki ng bahay. Tapos nagtitiis kami sa maliit na kwartong yun. Diba? Tapos may dalawang kwarto sa taas. So, we'll see kung ano na naman ang maisipan namin. Pero sa ngayon, it's very comfortable sa taas. We prioritize yung pag-cover ng mga bintana kasi si Daddy Ram kailangan niyang matulog sa umaga, di ba? So dapat very thick and very dark na curtain, and kailangan yung room kahit na umaga or tanghali, dark pa rin siya para makatulog ng maayos si Daddy Ram. Alam niyo naman na lagi siyang may problema, di ba? Sa pagtulog kasi nga gabi ang kaniyang work, kaya kailangan matulog siya sa umaga. Ito actually, yung cabinet na ito ay damit ni Daddy Ram at saka ni Ryan. Then, hindi na magkasya sa loob kasi nga yung bed, di ba, ang laki, na-occupy niya lahat. So, we decided na itong cabinet na ito ilagay dyan. Ngayon, may space na tayo. Alagay ko dito sa loob para medyo maaliwala sa ating living area. Lahat ng pwede kong ipasok, ipapasok ko guys. So, dito yung maliit na kwarto guys. 0.5 ko lang pero magiging grainy ang video. Full lang kasi ang gamit ko. And then, andyan yung mga cabinet. Diba, maaliwalas na tingnan. Hello, you're back.
Hello.
House is a bit messy.
Yeah.
Just bear with it for a while, okay?
Sure.
Daddy, a lot of them are saying before you can use that bedroom as your office room. What can you say?
I'm still thinking about it. Actually comfortable here.
Yeah.
Because AC also is direct right at any day.
We'll see. Open to the idea.
Yeah. Maybe we'll move, we'll see.
We are cleaning also there, guys. Yung ibang mga bagay ating ilalagay sa taas. Kasi becoming so dusty and messy. So it's a clean up day.
Yeah. Last 2 days of solid dances.
Yeah. And si Ryan, yung kanyang mga toys, again, binababa niya. Kasi maglalaro daw siya dyan. Ryan's room?
Yeah.
So, tapos na kami guys. Tinanggal ko lahat ng mga nakalagay dyan sa fridge. Oh, para malinis na tingnan. Ayan, si Ryan ready to go somewhere. Nakaligo na, fresh na. Si ang boys dyan. Hindi ko mapakita ng maayos guys kasi nga grainy 0.5 ang nilalagay ko, nagiging grainy ang ating video dahil phone lang ang ating ginagamit, wala tayong GoPro na sira. So ayan na, malinis na ang bahay. Happy?
Yes.
My love?
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
happy.
of course.
So clean.
Clean most looks more spacious.
Dito na angle naman. O, diba? Especially that area talaga. Tsaka yung sa may stairs, guys. Nalinis na namin. Natanggal na lahat. Are you going to Bangkeruhan now or later? Okay. Nagpunta na sa Bangkeruhan ang boys, guys. Let's put this laundry back to the cabinets. My God, today is clean up day. Bukas, trabaho na naman tayo. Ang bilis lang. Bilis matapos ng ating off. But I love working. At least my routine. Alam niyo yun. And I'm well adjusted with the job. Like, everything is at its place na. Of course, tiring yung mga ginagawang trabaho. But, gano'n naman talaga, di ba? Which is okay. Kasi matagal din tayo hindi nagtrabaho, di ba? Tapos now, enjoying the working era, career woman era ni Mami Verly. Malapit na, magbakasyon si Ryan. At least may kasama na dito si Daddy Ram sa bahay. Hindi na siya masyadong maboboard pa. Pero ang problema, pag andito si Ryan, hindi makakatulog ng maayos si Daddy Ram sa umaga at saka sa tanghali. Kasi kailangan niyang asikasuhin si Ryan. Pero okay lang yan. Good boy naman yung ating baby boy. Kasi, ang tawag nito, nag-help talaga siya sa kanyang dad. Lalo na sa mga gawaing bahay. Maasahan mo talaga siya, guys. Hello, welcome back. Bought a lot of stuff, vegetables.
Yes.
Mami,
Uh,
I got 339 pesos in this pouch now. 339.
so, what are you trying to say?
All this is all my money.
Hi, Daddy already gave you your money. You went to the Indian store?
Yeah.
Oh, buko also. You want some dal?
Yeah. I want to eat some doggy.
Why? Why you did not get your usual yum burger?
They don't actually.
Mm.
The usual place we go,
Mm.
there was too many, so we wanted to get the Kabantian one.
Mm.
The Kabantian one,
Mm.
it doesn't have, the buns are finished.
Oh my God. Seriously?
You understand, huh? I thought just not there. Actually, the ones are finished.
You got
Oh,
pineapple.
it's not pineapple.
It
It's
is.
a green apple. It's a green apple.
Uh-huh.
A grim apple. A grim apple. What's that?
The prices went up, Daddy.
No, not really.
Not really. You really know, Nana, what are the prices? The usual prices?
Yeah,
The one paying, right? He knows.
That one put there.
mixture. Colorful mixture.
Did you go to the usual coconut area?
Yes.
Ooh, you went there even it's already evening.
Yeah, on the way back, we usually come in that side.
So we got avocados, banana also.
Yeah, the few weeks we didn't buy banana.
Okay, a lot of fruits. Good job, guys. Pineapple time. We'll put the hin.
Tahin.
Watching some movie. It's Hindi, Daddy. What is that?
Muslim love board.
Love board?
They have personal law board. Muslim law. They have personal law.
तलाक के मामले को अदालत में ले जाना हमारे लिए शर्त की बात है। तलाक के बिगड़ जैसे मसले उठाने से बदनामी है। हम लोग आए थे आपके पास।
एक साथ